Domino's mission is be the #1 pizza company in the world. To be the #1, you need to generate innovation. The only way to drive that innovation is based on data.
Almost every question that's asked, the answers come down to Splunk. When we flipped to having more than half of our orders be digital, that was a turning point for these environments and these technologies. Splunk is our eyes into all those most critical environments. When we first got Splunk, it was kind of our secret sauce, but once we kind of let that out of the box, every team has some requests to use it in some way.
Splunk for our IT and for security operations is the fundamental tool that we use to drive this process. We can correlate data in real time. We can ask questions that we weren't able to do that before. We can mix data from operations with security and understand what is happening. We can define business flows because we're integrating all the data that we have in the system.
The consumer expectation is technology will work and will always be reliable.
There's a few large ordering days throughout the year, but Super Bowl will have even higher volume, but it'll be in a 45-minute window. We will never have a day where we have a 1-minute window where we've got more customers accessing the website through more methods than we do at that time. That's kind of an all hands on deck. We essentially have a big war room for Super Bowl every year. We'll have everyone from IT teams, but also marketing's involved, communications is involved. Everyone's looking at something and everyone's looking at something in Splunk. Because it's really looking at Splunk and being ready to immediately take an action or make a change.
Now we have a solution that puts us in a better position to protect the brand, to protect our customers, and to protect all the operations that we can deliver you a pizza.